Here I have Honor 8X and let me show you how to enter the EMUI Recovery Mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Choose here power off and touch to power off again. So now when your device is completely switched off, let's use this combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's keep holding those two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding power key and volume up. Let's wait for the recovery mode. Excellent, now you can release both keys. This is the EMUI Recovery Mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So here you can accomplish the hard reset by choosing wipe data factory reset. You can also wipe cache partition, or if you would like to simply quit this mode, let's choose Reboot System now. Let me do it. Press power key and the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode. So let's wait a couple of seconds until you will be able to use your device. Excellent, the home screen pops up. Now you can unlock the device and start using your phone in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.